What is going on, guys? Really quick, I'm doing another giveaway. The last giveaway turned out amazing. I am super happy with the outcome. You guys really liked the video, which was awesome to hear. That person that just won will be right here, so congratulations to that person. Just message me through Facebook and we can ship that out to you as soon as possible. I'm doing another giveaway. This one's kind of smaller. It's going to have 3 winners, and each winner will be able to win one of these Man vs. Claw bracelets. They're actually pretty cool. It says I'd rather be clawing on them, and they're pretty dope. I wear one like everywhere I go. So there will be 3 winners for that. All you gotta do, same rules, like the video, comment down below, make sure you're subscribed, and turn on that notification bell. And just comment down anything you want, really, and you'll automatically be entered. So, yeah, so I'm super glad that you guys liked the last video. Hopefully you'll like this one too, and I'll see you there. What is up, Joy fam? We are at Big Fast Wheel right now, trying to get the jackpot. See if we can get it. This game is all about strength. Bruh. I'm just kidding. Honestly, if I can do it, anyone can. Alright. We want 1,000. Oh, that was close. Alright.
30.
That was a pretty nice. It looks like you might send a big one out here.
Apparently one of your fans called you Nolan.
Oh.
On one of your last videos.
Come on. Oh.
No. Might be. Oh. I don't know. Probably.
Oh. No.
Very close.
Like you just cussed. You know, that's like when people cuss like that.
Oh, that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, what we're gonna do, here, film me. We're just gonna keep going until we get it, but I don't have unlimited camera battery. So we're gonna turn it off and then turn it back on if I do get it. Alright guys, we currently just got 250 tickets. That's it counting up. We just hit it. We turned on the camera as quick as we could.
Yeah.
Don't move it or anything. Look at that. It is currently counting up. 250 tickets.
It's always at the most expensive times too.
Yeah, sick. Alright, well that was Big Wheel Bass. Pretty fun game. Hey guys, we're going to be playing the Gatorade bottle. I'm going to see if I can drink it. Yeah, we won. So, the more you hit, the more you win. Hit these, okay, so that's pretty easy. That's easy. What's so hard about that? Oh.
Hey, let me give it a shot.
That's right. You hit those dots. Because in the... Oh, frick, Nolan.
I'm gonna give one more shot.
My turn.
Alright, your turn. Oh, you.
You.
Yo.
Me.
Us. In a bedroom.
Oh, my turn. This is hard. Oh, I'm pretty sure that was rigged. How much did, hey, what was I at?
You have like 30 something to go.
Go for it, buddy.
talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping.
That's the lucky drop the
Very close.
I thought I was honestly tensing up because I thought I wouldn't.
Very close, maybe like 1 or 2.
Oh my god. The first one. It's not even that hard.
It's the fucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg!
Yeah, yours is so slow. Mine was just going fast out of nowhere. That was so stupid. Yeah, yours is so slow. Mine was just going fast out of nowhere. That was so stupid. Nice, Nolly. Nolly pulley. 20 more to go, you got it. This might be due to pay out now. You got it, Nolly. Nolly, focus, Nolly. Oh!
No!
Nice. Nice, Nolly. Nolly pulley. 20 more to go, you got it. This might be due to pay out now. You got it, Nolly. Nolly, focus, Nolly. Oh!
No!
Press the button to drop the ball.
Oh my! No, I missed that one. I missed that one. This is personal now. It's not even that big of a jackpot. Yes!
Yes!
Finally! Thank God! Oh my God! That was torture. $8.